A lot of times you hear that a condo has it all, but this one truly does. Location-wise, you have this beautiful park right outside your front door. You're on Tache, right next to Provencher, and from your own private patio, you can watch the fireworks at the Goldeye Stadium. This unit is a corner unit main floor. And like I mentioned, you get an incredible patio, which no other unit has. Convenience-wise, this condo has it all. From in-suite laundry to the location, you can bike down to the Forks in just 5 minutes. You can get to St. Boniface Hospital if that's where you work in minutes. You can enjoy the waterfront and everything in the Exchange District and never worry about parking again. And if you love Festival, you get to walk there with your friends now. The best part is how walkable this is. Because if you want to stop and get a coffee, you don't need a bicycle. This is just minutes from your doorstep. Amazing as it is to walk and bike everywhere, the reality is you probably have a car. And with that, you're going to appreciate the heated underground parking and the extra storage unit. This condo truly has it all, and I can't wait for you to see it.